Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Meghalaya, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Satwik. I am 7 years old and I study in second class. I love going to school because I get learn new things and play with my friends. My best friend in class is Rutu. My favorite game is hockey. I also love eating. When I grow up, I want to be a army man. Because I want to help people. That is all about me. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is R. Jacqueline from 6th B. Today I am telling a moral story. The story name is A Balloon Seller. One day a balloon seller was selling colorful balloons in a park. Many children happily gathered around him. A little boy looked at a black balloon and asked, "Uncle, will the black balloon also fly?" The balloon seller smiled and said, "Yes, it will fly." He explained the balloon flies because of the air inside it, not because of its color. The boy understood the lesson and smiled. From that day, he learned that a person's character is more important than their appearance. Moral: what is inside us is more important than how we look. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Hamsika. Hello everyone, I am Saranya. Standing in front of love to the conversation. Good morning, Saranya. What are you doing? Reading a storybook. What about you? I was playing on my mobile. Games and fun that books take on amazing adventure. Really? Can a book be more exciting than a game? Of course. In a book, your imagination is a hero. That's interesting. Which books should I read first? Start your favorite storybook. Enjoy it. Read more, learn more, and grow more. Thank you. Everyone, I am Jayasashri from 5th class. Good morning, everyone. I am Anjayashree from 5th class. We are from Sribuddhaschool. Let's start conversation. Good morning. Have you noticed how much our English classes was changed as our school had introduced the new local club? I think it was a wonderful decision. I agree. Our chairman sir has chosen a very good curriculum for us. Absolutely. Because of you, we are speaking more English every day. Yes, we do conversation, group discussion, storytelling, and many interesting activities. These activities are improving our communication skills and building our confidence. I also like that everyone gets a chance to speak and express their ideas. We are learning English in fun and practical way instead of just memorizing lessons. We really thankful to our chairman sir for introducing the new curriculum in our school, as it is helping us become a confident English speaker. We appreciate our school and our chairman sir for this excellent decision. Thanks to our chairman sir, team and our English teacher to encourage